How did the first cute one do?
The one first cute
The
one.
first one that was looking for some worms.
Every time I went close, move away, close.
He thought you had some worms for him.
Mm-hmm. But this
What about
sucker here,
the one that was bitch eyeing you? What did he do when you walked up on him?
same thing like this. He didn't even blink.
Oh
I put the
Lord.
camera all the way up here. Just some bull. Fell out the nest. Mama left me. What I was supposed to look like? You thought I was a turd. Because I did. I just swore somebody let their dog go on the sidewalk, man. I was so pissed off.
Oh Lord.
And then I see this little bitty adorable bird and he giving me bitch face.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, so I wanted to do something, but I don't know what
I'm gonna post it with both of the pictures of the cute birds.
to
You didn't
do.
you didn't take any video of the bitch face bird, did you?
No, I didn't have time. I was going to
That's
work.
cool. That's cool. I was just curious.
Yeah,
It's hilarious.
yeah.
So Cookie's the bird daddy, making sure the baby stays safe.
Not really. He right out there in the open for a dog to come along and
Mm-hmm. Eating.
well, you know what? Leave nature alone. Let nature be nature. Cause his mama could have been coming back.
Yeah, I told you, just like that. You
I
keep
ain't
messing,
scared of them.
you're gonna dive bomb the
You
hell
the
out of
one.
you.
You the one that got the F bomb.
But, but those are evil birds
Yeah, they
from
are
hell.
the red
Red wings, something.
wingtip birds.
They're evil from hell.
But
And I didn't. And you told me that story before I got it. I
I did
got
tell you that,
attacked.
and I don't think you believed me.
I kind of didn't believe you.
Cause I knew somebody that was raised on a farm, and his dad would not let him shoot anything, but he said you can shoot all of those red-tipped birds all you want. The black birds with the red stripe on their wings. He's like, you can shoot them all day long.
Yeah, I found out why.
But I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to find a worm and get some tweezers and like put it in his mouth or something.
Oh,
But had to pay the bills, little man.
let's see different levels of cuteness again.
Cute, different levels. It
Yeah, the
was
first one.
the first one that was.
Oh, and the second one. He did look just like that, except his head was turned all the way
What
around to his back. He looked just like that. He looked so pissed off. Oh my god.
Okay, see your lip, your mouth.
My cutie pie.